So let's look at factoring sum and difference of two cubes. So you can write this down into your notes. So our sum formula is given here, and a squared minus ba plus b squared, and that's being multiplied by the sum of a and b. So step one is to simplify our expression into cubes. So if you're given something that says like 125 x to the third plus 8, then you have to ask yourself, what cubed gives me that value, what cubed gives me x to the third, and what cubed gives me 8. And so cubed, if you remember, means multiplied to itself 3 times. So I can then rewrite this expression over here as this expression over here. So I'm writing it into the form of being cubed. So my next step is to identify my a and my b. So if it's a cubed, b cubed, and we have the expression 5x cubed plus 2 cubed, that means that 5x becomes my a and 2 is my b, because that is the quantity that is being cubed. So identify your a and your b. Step 3 is to substitute into the equation. So our equation was up here. So we're going to take our a and our b and just substitute it in to that equation, as you see I've done down here. Okay. Step 4 is to simplify. So I could just remove my parentheses because that doesn't make a difference here. I squared both of these. Make sure if any of these happen for some reason to be negative, that you include it inside your parentheses. That way it's a positive number when it's finished being squared. These get multiplied together, and then again squaring my number over here. Again, if it's negative, make sure that you include it inside the parentheses so you end up with a positive answer. And you are finished. That is your factored answer. Boom. Okay, so let's look at if we have the difference of two cubes. Well, here is the formula for difference. If you notice, it starts off with the subtraction and then it has an addition here, but technically all the other pieces are identical in the formula. So our step 1 is to follow all of the steps of sum, but use the difference formula. So you're going to literally use all the exact same steps in terms of write it as a cube, identify a and b, substitute into your formula, and simplify, but your formula that you're going to use is this one here. And that is how you factor the sum or the difference of two cubes. All right, I hope this helped.